Are you leaving money on the table by ignoring email marketing? Well, yes and no. For businesses looking for a high return on investment marketing strategy, email can be a game changer, but only when done right. So in this video, we'll break it down. Why businesses need email marketing to maximize profits, why email marketing works and when it doesn't, how to set the right email marketing goals, as well as the key strategies to get the highest ROI from email marketing. Let's kick things off, shall we? Hello and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. To answer the big question of why you need email marketing, we of course first have to talk about profitability. After all, if a marketing channel isn't delivering solid returns, is it really worth your time? According to multiple studies, and as almost every marketing blog will tell you, email has one of the highest returns on investment of any marketing channel. $42 for every $1 spent. But beyond the numbers, email marketing helps you turn one-time buyers into repeat customers, nurture leads until they're ready to buy, and build long-term relationships that drive brand loyalty. So, why does email marketing work so well? Well, it's direct, personal, and doesn't play by algorithm rules. You see, while social media algorithms change all the time, your email list is yours to keep, with no surprises and no sudden drops in reach. That means you're always in control and speaking directly to people who already know and trust you. Plus, email works across industries. So, whether you run an online store, a service-based business, or a SaaS company, email marketing can be tailored to your goals, be it selling, booking clients, or keeping users engaged. Sound like a dream, right? Well, it sure does, but in reality, email doesn't always work. The fact is, if you do email marketing wrong, you won't see results. So, what are some of the biggest mistakes you could be making in your approach? There are 4 key ones, and we'll break them down in a moment. But before we get into any of that, I just want to remind you to click the subscribe button for more useful videos like this one. First, among the biggest mistakes is relying on email when it's not the best fit for your business. For example, a small local coffee shop that thrives on foot traffic, or a luxury real estate agency that relies more on personal networking. Doing this will often cause you to neglect other marketing channels preferred by your audience, like social media for engaging local customers, in-person events for networking, or paid ads for reaching high-intent buyers. Next comes using bad or purchased email lists, which can lead to low engagement, spam complaints, and wasted effort. The third mistake is sending emails without a clear strategy, making your messages feel random and ineffective. Lastly, we have writing weak subject lines, generic content, or sending too many emails, increasing your chances of people ignoring your messages or unsubscribing altogether. Now, you might be thinking, how can I avoid these mistakes and make email marketing work for my business? Well, it all centers around identifying what you want to achieve and then aligning your email strategy with those goals. For example, need to expand your market reach? Brand awareness campaigns with storytelling and user-generated content can help. Looking to drive more revenue? Promotional emails, upsell strategies, and personalized recommendations can boost conversions. Struggling with customer retention? Loyalty programs, post-purchase follow-ups, and re-engagement emails can keep customers coming back. Or maybe you want to optimize resources and cut costs. Automated workflows and targeted segmentation can streamline operations and improve ROI. Of course, regardless of the goal you have in mind, you'll need to track the right metrics. So, keep an eye out on key numbers like open rates, conversion rates, spam, as well as bounce rates and revenue per email. Doing this will tell you what's working and what needs improvement. After choosing the right email type for your goal and tracking your metrics, focus on refining and optimizing to maximize your email marketing ROI. As part of your action plan to refine and optimize, you want to A/B test everything, subject lines, CTAs, and send times to improve conversion rates. Find the right sending frequency by analyzing engagement trends. And lastly, use automation to create welcome sequences, follow-ups, and sales funnels. So the final verdict is email marketing right for you. If you want a cost-effective way to nurture leads, drive sales, and increase customer retention, The answer will be yes. But for those of you that don't have the right audience, resources, and suitable business type, or plan to rely on cold, purchased lists, you're probably better off using other marketing channels. For more information on how emails can help you achieve your business goals, check out our video on bulk email. Thanks for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next one.